how AI works, saying this kind of thing happens all the time, huh? But I've never seen or heard of anything quite this malicious and seemingly reckless, which luckily was my brother who had my support in the moment, she added. The brother says, I think there's the question of liability of harm. Yeah, I would say people need to do that. Try to slow this down like, as much as they can, if they can, because it's coming. It's freaky stuff, though, huh? Die. Crazy. But yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Examples from time to time. I remember there was one boy that was just talking on one of these things. His